Hello, I'm Dr. McNamara.
Hello, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Anna. What brings you to my clinic today?
Well, for a long time I have very bad pain in my neck. And I tried everything. I tried pills and now I'm tired. I'm tired of pain, I'm tired of pills. Can you help me?
Absolutely, I can help you. I have Bioptron medical light therapy, the ideal solution to treat your pain. Bioptron is polarized light. That means penetrating light, which increases microcirculation to the tissues that have pain, thereby shutting down the nerve endings that send pain signals to the brain. Can you feel anything yet?
Yeah, I feel warm and I feel comfort. Is it possible?
It's very possible because Bioptron is giving you now the anti-inflammatory effect.
But can I use it at home?
You can indeed. This was made just to be used at home without a doctor, by yourself.
Well, thank you, doctor.
Don't thank me. Thank Bioptron, the most trusted name in medical light therapy to stay pain-free.